Hi there, how are you? It is Simon here and we are going to learn Flame Trees by Cold Chisel today. Now last week I did a lesson on this and it was in the open position, which meant that we had to play a bunch of bar chords. Now I did promise that we would do another version with no bar chords. So this is it, stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. We are going to kick it off. We've got a G at the beginning, just a regular G major. You can play that one, you can play that one, you can play that one, doesn't matter. So G. And where our strumming is going to go down, down, up, up, down, up. Easy peasy. Down, down, up, down, up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. If you want to make it do other stuff, when you get to the D, take your second finger off. Pretty nice, huh? That was a D sus2. You could even, when you get back to the D, something like that, G. Okay, so you basically get that 3 times. I think this was the 3rd time. Then we are going to play G, A major. Now I just played A major like that. You could do like that, you could do like that, up to you. And then we need an F sharp minor. We can cheat though. Cheat is a very strong word. We're just going to put our first finger across. There's basically, only play those 4 strings, F sharp minor 7. Yeah? Okay? If you are feeling like you want to have a go at something like that, you can do this with your 4, 2, 2, 2. That's F sharp minor. Yeah? Kind of baby bar chord. Yeah? Or you could actually play them all like if you can squeeze them in there. This really is too freaky for you. So, just options. There's always options. G. Then back to G, A major. Now, we're going to go D. On the 4, G, D. Okay, so 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... If you're struggling with the quick change there, just go 1... just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Hey presto, it sounds the same. So you get G, A, D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay? That is the verse. Now it repeats, and then we get a chorus, G. And then we get an A6. So A6 we're going to play with our first finger flat across. There you go, 6. So anytime you hear any numbers in chords, it's just talking about the number of the scale that sits in the chord, right? So 6, A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp. That's an F sharp. I know it's really a G sharp because of the capo, but let's just pretend the capo's not there. And then E minor. G major again, A major again, D, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and G, A6. Now, B minor, can't get away with it forever. You need 1 there, those guys there. So 4, 4, 3, 2. D. Okay, so you can play G, A6, B minor, D. Okay? Best way of always learning these new chords and the changes and stuff is just literally to sit there, go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Just like that. Changing around all the time. Okay, now, then we repeat the verse. Oh, hang on, no, I haven't finished us off there. Sorry about that. excited about learning how to change chords. Then D, the last line of the chorus, G, A, D to G. Okay, then you repeat the verse. Okay, now if you want the chart, by the way, just go to www.simonmorel.com/free-chart. I'll send you the chart that I'm looking at right now. So in the bridge, you basically get G, D, okay, just like that. Okay, then we've got G, G, F sharp minor, like we did before, the top 4 string, A major. Okay, now we've got a B flat, so we can do a few different things here. We can play your first finger here at B flat, open, open, that, and get away with that. That's a B flat 6. We could even put that in there. Or we just play G, F sharp, A. So we could actually slide that up there. And that's a B flat, because we're going to play a B flat, you know, when you get the hang of bar chords, like that. It's an A-shaped bar chords, yeah? So you could do this even, 1, 3, 3, 3, right? But just don't hit that at the same time, because gross. So there's a few different options around that. So you could play this kind of B flat, only the 4 strings in the middle. We could play B flat like that. We could play B flat like this. That's a B flat 6, by the way. But shh. Okay, so that little section goes G, F sharp minor, A. Slide it up. Okay, then you put your third finger flat instead. That's also B flat, because it's the same, right? That's the same as that. Then F, C, D, and then you repeat the chorus, all right, twice. And that's the end of the song. I know, we made it without playing any real bar chords. It's pretty exciting. G, A, D, G, A6, now D. If you want to play this with bar chords and you want to learn the right chords, I have another video, which I will link to in the description of this one, where we play just regular chords, a whole bunch of bar chords. Probably should have said that at the front. Anyway, that is it. Thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you would like to subscribe for 2 new lessons a week, then that would be lovely, thanks. Just click that button, click the bell. You'll be notified when new lessons turn up. They're going to turn up on midweek, probably a Monday, and then turn up on Saturdays. All sorts of things. There are over 450 lessons here at my channel nowadays. Just seems like a lot, doesn't it? Anyway, there you go. So thanks very much for watching. I do appreciate it. Go and check out patreon.com/Simon Morel for a whole bunch of other stuff that's not available on YouTube. And I will see you next time. Let's have a little play. G. Thanks for watching.